Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up Telegram downloads. Let's dive in. Firstly, open the Play Store and search for Telegram. Make sure to update the Telegram application to the latest version. After updating, navigate to your device's settings. Go to App Management and select App List. Look for Telegram in the list. Once found, tap on Telegram and then select Storage and Cache first. Clear the cache, and then clear the storage. Now open the Telegram app. Tap on the three bars at the top left corner to access Settings. In Settings, select Data and Storage here. Ensure to delete all cloud data for faster downloads. For even faster speeds, consider upgrading to Telegram Premium. This offers double limits and premium features. With these steps in Telegram Premium, your download speeds will be significantly increased. And that's it. You've now optimized Telegram for faster downloads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.